We are bringing in Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial for the weekly options alert. Let's get your trader talk to begin with, Alan.
Yeah, stocks have been streaking. No surprise there. We made new all-time record highs, but we had a negative week. So it's something to be aware of. I'm not worried, but keep an eye on that.
Well, let's take a look at your trades, your WPI trade tracker, a number of winners here.
Yeah, done very well, but I do want to point out that we had Friday expiration. Some positions went off the board. We had a loss. We had Verizon lost a couple $100 there, but the point is these are limited risk options. So when they are losers, these in the money options, they don't lose much, and it's usually just a couple $100.
Good. Beyond Verizon, what's going on with Intel?
So we made some money back-to-back big plays. Intel, we took 100% profit in the second half, and then MU, which was just last week, 106%. Big boom in those stocks.
AMD.
So AMD, now this is another position that we've got some time on it. So we've cleaned up on our August plays. We sold a lot of those probably too soon, but I've got no problems with that. The AMD play, we sold half of that and half of the Twitter as well, but those are August options. We have 3.5 weeks of time there.
Right, sometimes you don't want to get too greedy, even when you have a good
money
trade
management.
going.
Money management. 50% makes me happy all day long.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at Oracle.
Oracle, September option, the 55 call. That's something we talked about last week. So that's got 2 months of time. Let's see if we can get another tech takeoff to carry that stock higher.
And your WPI trade trigger, JD.com.
JD.com. Now, this is a stock that has bottomed out. It's been trading between 20 and 30 since November, so it's above that 25 midpoint. We're looking at the September $27 call. So again, September option has 2 months of time for good things to happen. A big bottom is in place, so we can get about 32, then boom, that stock is off to the races once again with a 38 target on the upside.
Before you take off, your trading floor takeaways?
Seesaw sentiment. Every week it's something different. Everybody's opinions continue to change on this rate cut. Now, the rate cut, there was a 60% chance just Friday that it was going to be half a percent. Right. But they've taken that away again, and now it's only 20% chance. So we'll see what happens. We still got a little bit of time until the Fed meeting, but that sentiment keeps shifting, and I think it's probably going to be positive for the market when all's said and done.
Number two.
Out of your mind oil. What's going on? As a trader, you would think with all this instability, all this action in the Middle East,
we should be at $70.
That crude oil will be rallying. And last week it was down $5, and it's just kind of stubbornly holding just above 55. So we'll have to wait and see. But that could be a new catalyst if crude gets its legs underneath it. That sector has been holding the stock market back. That'd be another kick to the upside.
And number three, new math.
New math. We've done this before, so it's not that new for us. But 10% on that old top technically in the second half of 2019 is the target. So we've got a lot more upside, even though we've come a long ways. Looking at the math, I think we can do a lot better.
Thanks as always, Alan.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.